Stop copying me.
I'm not. You can't fly, can you?
You're right, we're totally different. Welcome back to Brick 2 Buddies. In this video, we'll show you how to make the Atom from Legends of Tomorrow. We actually used the head of Endgame Ant-Man for this character. Then, we gave him the dark blue hockey helmet from the Series 4 blind bag. His torso is from another Marvel character, Rocket Raccoon from Thor's Weapon Quest. We used the Rockstar arms from the CMF Series 12 and gave them dark red hands. For the legs, we gave him the ones from the Deep Sea Scuba Scooter set. For his beams, you can easily use the Power Burst piece from the same Thor set that Rocket came in. That concludes this week's video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel so it doesn't shrink any further.